and proud, this year's recipient of government scholarships. I'm speaking about none other than Aiden Smith over there and Naima Williams over here, both from Stella Maris Prep, and here this morning to share with us on Smile Jamaica. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Emancipation Day to both of you.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be a government scholarship winner, Naima?
Like, it feels really good knowing that I've worked hard for this and this is my desired outcome.
Oh, this is my desired outcome. And what about you? How does it feel?
It feels good, but sometimes I get a little nervous around camera.
That's fine. I'm gonna make it really easy for you, I promise. I'll make it easier for you. Work with me, guys. Come Spain. Let I make it easier for you. Let's just have a little conversation. How was Pep?
It was good.
Was it hard?
Not really.
Not at all?
It was a little hard, but it wasn't that hard.
How was your preparation? Tell me how you prepared for the exams.
I studied with my mom, and also I did extra lessons with my teacher, Miss Ponal, and extra. Sometimes when my teacher was not there, she'd send us to Miss Richards' class to do extra lessons.
Extra?
Yes.
So extra and then extra?
Yes, we did.
That's a word for extraness. So on the day of exams, you were calm. When you went in, you figured, I got this. Tell me how you felt when you heard that you had won a government scholarship.
I felt really good about it, knowing that I worked hard for it and everything.
But? No buts?
No buts.
All right. You're like a calmer now? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. I can stay here, I can go back to my seat.
You can go.
Nice. Naima, what about you?
It feels really good again, knowing that I've worked hard for this. And actually, the way I heard the news, we got a call from home. And then I just heard my mother screaming and screaming. And then when I asked her, that's when she told me that I got a government scholarship.
It feels so good to know that you did that, not only for you, but for your parents, because they want you to do so well. So you guys are now on summer break.
Yes.
You've both gone to summer school at Campion, because you're both headed to Campion. Yeah. Are you excited about heading to Campion?
Very excited.
What excites you most about high school?
Many things that we have not experienced in prep school. For example, like spirit weeks. We don't have that in prep school, so I'm excited.
Celebrates itself and its students.
I'm excited for that.
What about you, Aiden? What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the food because in my past school, there was only 2 things every day or 3 things.
Yes. So you guys are going to have way more subjects to do.
That's true.
Like 12 or 13 subjects to do. What are your interests now? I know Naima, what is that in your hand? You couldn't leave somebody's certificate then for some other people? You want to be a pediatrician.
Yes.
And you also want to lecture.
Yes.
So you're going to clearly be looking forward to doing the sciences when you get to high school. What is it about medicine that you love?
Well, it's not only just about medicine. Like, as a pediatrician, knowing that I'm able to help many people and like
especially
care for
kiddos.
them, yes.
Yeah.
I'm excited for that.
Oh, your journey begins where your journey has already begun. Aiden, you're not quite sure what you want to be yet.
I'm not very sure.
But that's okay. What subjects do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy mathematics, as I said before.
Well, you told me off camera, but the folks didn't hear you. So, you participated in the math Olympiad.
Yes.
What was that like?
It was hard, but I did good.
Yeah. Competed against other people and you guys were solving problems
Yes.
and all the rest of it. Okay, so outside of school and outside of studying, what do you guys do for fun? You're bored this summer because they don't have enough to do. They tell me they're bored because they want more to do. Aiden, let me start with you. What do you do outside of studying and so on? What do you enjoy to do in your spare time?
I play Roblox and Fortnite.
What's your favorite game on Roblox?
Blocks Roots.
Okay. What about you, Miss Lady?
Like, I have many extracurriculars to do because I did like netball, swimming, and tracks. So I had fun doing those during the pep year. And also I've picked up a little hobby of crocheting during my free time.
Really?
Yes.
fine, sweet. Crocheting. Did you YouTube that?
Yes, I did. That's
Do you
right.
like solidly have it now? Are you making
Well,
pieces?
I've been making pieces, but I wouldn't say I'm the best at it.
Well, being the best takes time, right?
Yes.
So I see your head girl badge.
Yes.
Leadership, you're walking away from that. You have aspirations to be head girl one day at campaign as well.
Maybe, yeah.
And is the job of head girl hard?
Well, not in all cases, but you have to discipline yourself to know that you have to be responsible for many things, and you can be called upon at random times. So you just have to know how to react.
And also to discipline your fellow
Yes.
students, which can also be difficult, right?
Yes, you can.
So as you guys head into high school now, you look to going to Campion. Aiden, what would you say to other little boys and little girls watching this morning who may be a little nervous, a little uncertain about stepping into this new space? What will it bring? What will it be like? What advice would you have to give to them?
Just be yourself, and knowing that high school is very competitive, just try and work hard.
Yeah. Do you have other friends who pass for Campion as well?
Yes.
Okay, so you'll have a little group there from Stella.
Yes.
So that will make it a little easier for you,
Yes,
right?
it
When you have
will.
friends, it makes it easier. What about you, Miss Nems? What would you say to them?
I would say to them that it's not always going to be easy, but you have to know how to manage your time and go into the school year with a good mindset. Don't bring yourself down from the beginning. And again, like what Aiden said, just be yourself.
Wow, these kiddos are so cute. Anything you want to say to the folks who helped you get here? Mommy, daddy, your support groups? Because, you know, you guys don't do it alone, right? It takes a village. Aiden, you studied with, with your mom. She was there for you. Is there anything you want to say to the folks who helped you to achieve this amazing feat that you've achieved?
Thank you to my teachers, my mother, and so on.
Okay, what about you, Naima?
I want to say thank you to all my teachers, my parents, family members, and friends who have always let me know that I can do it.
And you did it.
Yes.
Good job.
Thank
Go
you.
team! I wish you guys all the best as you head to Campion.
Thank you.
You know you can be whatever you want to be. Jamaica's future, ladies and gentlemen, on display gives us hope that we are headed in the right direction. Government scholarship recipients Aiden Smith and Naima Williams, both are Stella Maris. Big up Stella, and heading to Campion to pick up the folks at Campion College as well. Coming up next, we talk JCDC Business Festival Song Winner is here. We're back with that after this. Thank you, guys.